This is week 2 of the fence project. I think it's week 2. Anyhow, I'm going to give you an update on what's going on with the fence, and I'll probably scatter this video through the week of whatever they get done. We'll be back more later. How pretty it is here in the morning in Thailand, walking around in the village property. As you can see, the various ponds we have here on the property, the water table is starting to go down. So it's just in time for the rain season. Hopefully things will start filling up pretty soon. I see yesterday they came and tied a lot of the steel together. The stuff that I showed you is stacked over here by the tree. I'm not sure exactly what that's for, those long pieces like that, unless maybe it's to go down here in the footings to tie everything together. We'll find out as they go. Thai fence building is different than we do at home. This is all with concrete. It's a little different to me. I know they use those concrete rails to slide down in these when the posts are up. Today they've made quite a bit more progress on the fence. Now they have a lot of the steel that's laying out here by the holes. I do know they're doing dead man laybacks here that's going to be kind of like a big T at the bottom. So actually it's not a T, it's a big L at the bottom. So it keeps the fence from pushing over. Because you can see there's more dirt on that side than there is on the side where I'm at. And that's why the fence failed last time. So this time it's going to have good tiebacks and nice, good footings. And they have a lot of the steel tied over there under the tree. Okay, since they've got all the steel laid out, the string line is all stretched now. You can see the string line here. I'm going to assume they're about ready to start pouring some cement. Okay, until tomorrow's update. Today is day 14 of the fence build. Good morning everybody, or good evening. It's a beautiful day today. Yesterday afternoon we had quite the thunderstorm. It really had a lot of lightning, very electric. Very little bit of rain though, it just sprinkled a little bit. But the sprinkles were huge drops. Anyhow, the guys back here on the fence never stopped. They kept going. So I'm gonna give my day 14 inspection of it. They've already got some of the cement started pouring in the footings. Nice early morning sun. Birds singing. Beautiful out here today. So calm and peaceful. And it's not overbearingly hot today yet. I'm quite surprised to see they got almost all of the posts set up, ready to continue the pour. I see why they were working through the storm. They were trying to get this done. It looks like there's only 4 or 5 to go down at the end. Maybe even less, maybe 3. I can't really tell, but 3 or 4 I'm gonna guess. So the plan is to come back and finish up the concrete pour today and start putting in the rebar over there. And they've got these tiebacks set up on every other post location to hold the fence more secure. Okay, again, like I said, today is day 14 of the build, so I'll close out the video for this week today. If you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps our channel. I mean, YouTube's all about growth. Appreciate your support. Thanks for coming and watching. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.